What's going on, guys? It's from Airsoft GI, and today I'm here to talk to you about the gassed up player packages we have going on online right now. There are so many different variations to choose from. Well, a lot of them will be coming included with the Golden Eagle high cap pistol. Guys, you cannot miss an opportunity like this. The pistol itself is 100% TM compatible, full blowback, super easy to upgrade, very easy to maintain. It will come included with a nice bag of BBs and a big can of green gas like this. You guys have to pick these up. These are only going for $144.80 on our website right now. Full blowback. Super fun. But as from Airsoft GI, guys, take it easy.